This is the 2017 Buick Envision. Has every option except the radar cruise control and the LED. I think it's either HID or LED. Obviously, it's one of the two headlights. But everything else, I think it's pretty much fully loaded. It's a really nice truck. This truck also rides nicer than my Q50, just like the other Infiniti truck. Funny, crossover is riding nicer than a luxury sports sedan. It feels good. It's at least, you know, it's due next year, less than a year, but it's been great. Great gas mileage, rides nice, very quiet. People are saying, oh, it's made in China, so it's going to fall apart. It's got 48,000 miles, I believe. I have to take a look at it. Not a single rattle. This thing is really, really well built. So, well, anyway, I'm running out of recording space once again, so I'm going to wrap it up in a second. Yep, it's blinking now. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Have a good one, guys. Thanks. Bye.